Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am excited to share my experience and moments from the Google DevFest Patna event. From learning about the latest in technology to networking with the industry leaders, it was an amazing experience. Join me as I take you through my journey and show you some of the highlights of the event. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any further videos. Let's get started. Now, first you need to know what is Google DevFest and how to attend it. Google DevFest is an annual event organized by the Google Developer Groups around the world. The event brings together developers, students, and industry experts to share their knowledge and experiences on the latest technologies and trends in the field of web, mobile, and cloud development. Attending a Google DevFest is a great way to learn new skills, network with other developers, and stay up to date on the latest trend in the tech industries. Here are a few steps to how to attend the Google DevFest. First, find a DevFest near you. Check the Google Developers website or the Google Developers Group website to find a DevFest events happening near you. Now, register for the event once you have found a DevFest that you would like to attend. Make sure you register for the event. This will give you access to all the talks, workshops, and other activities that are planned. Overall, Google DevFest is a great event for developers of all the levels to attend, whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional. So, if you have the opportunity to attend a DevFest, be sure to take advantage of it. Now, let's start the journey.
कल और आएंगे नगमों की खिलती कलियां चुनने वाले। कल और आएंगे नगमों की खिलती कलियां चुनने वाले, हमसे बेहतर कहने वाले, तुमसे बेहतर सुनने वाले।